Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
5:34 and jury selection will begin today in the trial of a man from Marion Township charged with murder. Police say he gunned down another man during a road rage incident. 7 Action News reporter Jennifer Bisram joins us now live with a look at what we can expect. Jennifer, when did this happen?
Malcolm, this was a shooting that happened back in September in the middle of the street while other drivers were on the road. Now, police say 69-year-old Martin Zale shot and killed 43-year-old Derek Flemming in the middle of Grand River in Howell, again back in September. Zale, he faces charges including open murder, felony firearm, and firearm discharge from a vehicle. Now, he remains in jail without bond. His attorney says she will argue self-defense, saying the whole story has not been told. Now, altogether, 75 jurors will be called in this morning, while another 75 could be summoned if attorneys on both sides exhaust the first group without a sitting jury. Now, again, this jury selection taking place this morning. It could take a couple of days, up to 3 days. At that point, opening statements will begin. Now, if convicted of all these charges, Zale could face life in prison. We're live this morning. Jennifer Bisram, 7 Action News.
Thank you, Jen.
Shot and killed a man during a road rage incident.
Yeah, and today Martin Zale will be sentenced in Livingston County, and he could get life in prison. 7 Action News reporter Jennifer Bisram is live with more. Jennifer.
Yeah, this happened back in September. A driver shoots and kills another driver. The shooter convicted of second-degree murder, and today he will find out how much time you'll have to serve for this road rage murder. Now, let's get you some background on this story. Martin Zale, who is 69 years old, was convicted of second-degree murder and felony firearms and discharging a firearm from a motor vehicle charges. This after he shot and killed 43-year-old Derek Flemming of Osceola Township again last September in a road rage incident after Flemming, who was unarmed, confronted him in the pickup truck he was in on Grand River Avenue. This happening while they were stopped at a red light. Now, Zale's defense team argued self-defense all the way, but a jury did not buy it. Now, Zale does face life in prison. He is due for a sentencing at 2 o'clock this afternoon. We're live this morning. Jennifer Bisram, 7 Action News.
Turning now to breaking news, the man responsible for that deadly road rage shooting in Howe will spend at least the next 27 years behind bars. Martin Zale found guilty of second-degree murder in the death of Derek Flemming. Zale admitted he shot Flemming in the head after an altercation on Grand River last year. Police say Flemming got out of his car and approached Zale, who then pulled the gun. Before the judge handed down the verdict, Flemming's widow addressed the court.
My children have lost a very involved father. The person who would teach them to drive a car, teach them to build and repair things around a home, to see them graduate high school and college, to give them advice only a father can, to show them what a husband should be, to see them both get married and start their own families.
Zale's defense team argued self-defense. The jury, though, didn't buy it. We'll have much more on today's sentencing coming up on 7 Action News at 6.